Hey y'all, welcome back to the Bam Fam's World. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this beautiful beauty makeup basket full of stuff from the Dollar Tree for your Valentine's this year. So if you want to see all that fits in here, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So like I said, everything from this basket is all from the Dollar Tree, including the basket, which came in a pack of 2 for $1.25, and this is how they look. Super cute with all them little hearts, and it's shaped like a heart. So yeah, I got 2 for $1.25, which I thought it was a really great deal. And now let's dump everything out and see what's inside. To start with, I will be showing you these cute little makeup sponges. They come in a set of 3 and they are in the shape of a heart, and they come in a little cupcake tin looking thing, so super cute. And again, 3 for $1.25. Then I got this Freeman face mask. It's a peel off face mask and it's metallic pink, perfect for Valentine's. And for $1.25, it's a really nice size. Next, I got these fake eyelashes from the brand LA Colors. They are kind of dramatic, but they're really pretty. I bought some of these for myself before and I really like them, so I would guess somebody else will like them too. But for $1.25, super cute. And then I got these makeup remover wipes in the shape of a heart, and these are in that bright pink and they come in a set of 2. I got another one for myself in the lighter pink. Like I said, these are the bright pink and this is the lighter pink, and I already tried one and they work really great, so it's a really good find. You will love it, and whoever receives it from you will love it too. And they're heart shaped. Like, how can you go wrong with that, right? And 2 for a pack, 2 for $1.25. The next thing is this brush holder, like travel brush holder, that says Slay All Day. Really cute. And this is, it just has a zipper on it, and all you gotta do is stuff your makeup brushes in there and put them in your travel bag, your makeup bag, your purse, and they're gonna be secure and safe, and they're not gonna get all messed up or the rest of your makeup messed up. And they just have a little mesh top here so you could see through it and everything. I think it's super cute. Again, $1.25. And then these were more like a random buy. It was like 70 elastics in this little pack, and I thought they were cute colored, and you can't go wrong with little elastics, so I got those 2. And then I found this little mirror. It's like a salmon pink, really cute, really compact, and it's perfect for travel. You could bend the little handle this way and stand it up, or bend it forward, or just, leave it straight and hold it like that. And once you're done, fold it back up and put it back in your purse, and it's a really nice size for travel, like I said. The next thing are these 25 makeup remover wipes, and these I like them because it says it has collagen in it, so can't go wrong with those to remove your makeup. And then I found this contour kit by Makeover Essentials, and this was actually $1.25. And like I said, it's a little makeup kit. It has a big mirror and then the little picture to show you how to use it, and it has the 6 pans, the contours, the bronzers, and the highlighter and the powder. So that was a really, really good find. I haven't seen those in a long time, so I was lucky to find it. And it comes in a little tin container, so it's not that easy to break. You could safely take it travel with you. And then I found this little cup. It's purple with glitter. They had a pink one, but I couldn't find it. But yeah, this little tumbler just has a purple mini loofah in there. It has a little glitter nail file, a mini nail clipper, and a little scrubby brush. Perfect for a little manicure set. And once you're done with all of that, or you take it out, you can use the cup as the regular little tumbler for your cold coffee, or you could just leave it as decoration and use it to put your brushes in there or stuff like that. So I thought that was cute. And then last but not least, these little lip balms. They are super cute packaging. This one is pink with red cherries on it, and this one is just like pink striped. It kind of reminds me of Victoria's Secret. But yeah, they're clear lip balms. They're very hydrating, and whoever receives this, I'm pretty sure they will love it. Anyways, this is all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to share a couple of things that I found at the Dollar Tree. See if you guys could find something similar and very inexpensive to give for your Valentine's this year. And yeah, if you guys like this type of videos, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload a video and a DIY, because most of our videos are going to be based on the Dollar Tree. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a nice day.